Okay, so for this exercise, my partner puts their feet together, drops the hip, stretches the spine, and just stretches up. Okay, so from here, I put my weight down into his feet, and now he's got no forward-backward brace. His feet are together, he's only got a few inches that he can lean forward and backwards without losing balance. I push on his body, he drops, stretches, and he goes down to produce out. So we've already touched on this in the last couple of videos. He goes down to produce out. Yep. Okay, so we start off with this warm-up. So he learns how to drop purely down with gravity to produce an upward rising force. He has to practice coming underneath me. So his feet are together, and with his feet together we do the same as the last exercise, but we go through every shape in the form. So we go through the pak sows, the gan sows, the bong sows and so forth, revising each shape at a high level of difficulty. When you're in a neutral or a back stance and you're doing these sinking exercises, you have a lot more brace. When you're doing it with your feet together and your ankles touching and you have no space forward and backwards to practice, you need a much purer downward sink. So there's drop and this sink and stretch into the fascia, you get a high level of efficiency. So we revise what we did on the last video. There's dropping energy, and we put this through the every shape with our feet together, ankles touching, and we increase the level of difficulty in the exercise. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next video.